Did you know that over 69% of successful businesses started with little to no capital? That's right. You don't need deep pockets to launch a successful business. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build a business from scratch with zero money. Just creativity, resourcefulness, and the right steps. One of the biggest misconceptions about starting a business is that it requires a lot of money. How often have you heard, you need funding to make your dreams come true? That belief has held so many potential entrepreneurs back. The truth, money isn't the first thing you need. It's a clear idea and the willingness to hustle. Think about it. Some of the world's biggest brands started on a shoestring budget. From companies like Apple, born in a garage, to scrappy solopreneurs who turned side hustles into thriving businesses. They all began with a simple principle. Start where you are with what you have. So, what stops people? It's the belief that without funding, success is impossible. Let's shatter that myth and explore what's really needed to get started. The first step to starting with $0 is to tap into your existing skills. What can you offer right now? Maybe you're great at writing, designing, or even organizing events. These skills are the foundation of a service-based business, which is often the easiest and cheapest way to begin. For example, if you're skilled in graphic design, you can start by offering logo creation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. All you need is a laptop and an internet connection. Similarly, writers can begin freelance content creation, charging per article or project. The key is to start with services that require no upfront investment, just your talent. Here's the thing, every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and often it wasn't with money, it was with determination and creativity. By leveraging your skills, you're already ahead of the game. Coming up, I'll show you how to scale these efforts and build a network that opens doors without spending a dime. Thanks to technology, there's a wealth of free tools that make starting a business easier than ever. For example, Canva for designing professional graphics without paying for software, Google Workspace for managing documents, emails, and tasks, and social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn to market your services for free. You don't need to hire a marketing agency or invest in expensive equipment to get started. These tools are widely accessible, and they allow you to project professionalism even when you're just starting out. Additionally, websites like HubSpot or Coursera offer free courses on everything from marketing to finance. These resources help you level up your skills while keeping costs at zero. Your network is your net worth, and it doesn't cost a dime to build one. Start reaching out to people in your community or industry, attend free networking events, or use platforms like LinkedIn to connect with potential clients and collaborators. One powerful tactic is to offer value first. If you're a web designer, you could create a free audit for a small business's website. If you're a social media manager, offer a week of free content ideas to showcase your expertise. These small acts build trust and open the door to paid opportunities. Remember, relationships are often more valuable than money when you're starting out. Before we get into the exciting details, let me introduce you to Moomoo Financial. If you open a brokerage account with Moomoo and deposit at least $1 using the link in the description, you'll get a chance to draw a free stock worth up to $2,000. But that's not all. If you make a net deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive not just one, but 5 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. And if you're really serious about investing, you can deposit $1,000 or more and get a whopping 15 free stocks, bringing your potential earnings to a staggering $30,000. So, sign up now using the link in the description and get those free stocks. Now, let's get back to the video. Take inspiration from real-life stories. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, started her billion-dollar business with $5,000 she saved from selling fax machines. She didn't have investors, just a great idea and determination. Or consider Marcus Sheridan, who grew his pool business during a recession by writing blog posts that answered customer questions. His content marketing efforts cost him nothing upfront, but they transformed his business into a multi-million-dollar enterprise. What these stories prove is that it's not the money that matters, it's the mindset. The beauty of starting with no capital is that you're forced to focus on what works. Instead of spending thousands on an untested idea, you begin small, test the waters, and reinvest your earnings into growth. For example, if you start a service-based business, you can use your first few clients' payments to invest in better tools or expand your offerings. Over time, this approach builds a sustainable, low-risk path to success. Starting a business with $0 is not just possible, it's achievable if you're willing to think creatively and act strategically. By leveraging your skills, using free resources, networking with purpose, and scaling smartly, you can create something remarkable without ever needing outside funding. So, what's stopping you from starting today? Share your ideas and challenges in the comments. And if you're ready to take your entrepreneurial journey to the next level, hit subscribe and like for more actionable tips and strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.